Hey, Glam Fam! Are your mornings a hectic blur of rushing around and trying to get out the door on time? If so, you're in the right place. Today I'm sharing my ultimate quick 5-minute everyday makeup tutorial that's perfect for busy mornings. Yes, you heard that right. Just 5 minutes to look polished and put together. Stick around to see how you can achieve this effortlessly chic look with minimal products and maximum results. Let's get started! Segment 1, Introduction to the Concept. Now let's address the common challenge many of us face, wanting to look put together without spending hours in front of the mirror. With this simple routine, you can achieve a polished look without sacrificing precious time in the morning. We all want to look our best even when we're in a hurry. This 5-minute makeup routine will help you achieve a polished, natural look with minimal products and time. Plus, I'll be sharing some of my favorite product recommendations to make things even easier. Ready to glow up with minimal effort? Let's dive right in! In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you how to achieve a gorgeous makeup look in just 5 minutes using minimal products and tools. So grab your makeup bag and let's get started. Segment 2, Primer and Base. First, let's start with a good base. A primer will help your makeup last all day and smooth out any imperfections. Products recommended. Primer, Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. A foundation, BB Cream. It cosmetics your skin, but better CCX cream. Steps. 1. Apply primer. Take a small amount of primer and apply it all over your face, focusing on areas with larger pores. 2. Apply foundation BB cream. Next, use a foundation or a BB cream. I'm using the IT Cosmetics Your Skin, but better CCX cream. Just dab it on and blend with your fingers or a beauty sponge. Segment 3, Concealing. Now let's cover those dark circles and any blemishes. Product recommended. Concealer, Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. Apply concealer. Apply the concealer under your eyes in a triangular shape and on any blemishes. Blend it out with your fingers or a small brush. Segment 4, Brows. Brows frame your face and are essential for a polished look. Product recommended. Brow pencil, Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. Steps. Fill in brows. Use a brow pencil to quickly fill in any sparse areas. Brush through with a spoolie for a natural look. Segment 5, Eyes. For the eyes, we're keeping it simple with just one eyeshadow shade and some mascara. Products recommended. Eyeshadow, L'Oreal Paris Infallible Eyeshadow in Amber Rush. Mascara, L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise. 1. Apply eyeshadow. Sweep a neutral eyeshadow across your lids. I'm using L'Oreal Paris Infallible Eyeshadow in Amber Rush. 2. Apply mascara. Finish with a coat of mascara to open up your eyes. Segment 6, Blush and Highlighter. A bit of blush and highlighter will add a healthy glow to your face. Products recommended. Blush, Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. Highlighter, Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Champagne Pop. 1. Apply blush. Smile and apply blush to the apples of your cheeks. I'm using Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. 2. Apply highlighter. Add a touch of highlighter to the tops of your cheekbones for a radiant glow. Segment set, Lips. Last but not least, let's add some color to the lips. Products recommended. Lip product, Revlon Super Lustrous Lipstick in Blushing Nude. Steps. 1. Apply lip product. I'm using Revlon Super Lustrous Lipstick in Blushing Nude. It's a beautiful, everyday shade that complements any look. Segment 8, Final Touches and Recap. And there you have it! A quick and easy 5-minute makeup routine that's perfect for busy mornings. Rock the day with your fabulous look. Quick recap. Primer and base, Maybelline Baby Skin, Instant Pore Eraser, IT Cosmetics Your Skin, but better CCX cream. Concealer, Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. Brows, Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. Eyes, L'Oreal Paris Infallible Eyeshadow in Amber Rush, L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise. Blush and highlighter, Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso, Becca Shimmering Skin. Perfecta in Champagne Pop. Lips, Revlon Super Lustrous Lipstick in Blushing Nude. In just 5 minutes, you've achieved a fresh and glowing makeup look that's perfect for everyday wear. Remember, simplicity is key when it comes to a quick beauty routine. To sum it up, this 5-minute everyday makeup tutorial is all about saving time without compromising on style. Give it a try yourself and see how easy it is to look and feel fabulous in no time. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick beauty tips and tutorials. I can't wait to see your results, so be sure to share them with me. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this quick 5-minute makeup tutorial. Thanks for watching, and have a fabulous day. If you found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more beauty tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and have a fabulous day.